A very calm and quiet night out across Grand Rapids and the rest of West Michigan, as we have just some cloud cover out there, but you can see a little farther along the horizon than the last couple of days. This is the first day in over a week that we have not had an air quality advisory, and air quality will continue to improve over the next few days. Right now we're 68 for Coldwater, but 75 in nearby Three Rivers and Kalamazoo. Some spots along the lakeshore also in the 60s, but most of us are going to end up staying in the 60s overnight as our dew point temperatures continue to rise. We're now feeling them in the upper 60s for most except for Holland, currently with a dew point of 59. And the warmer these values get, the more humid it feels outside. And unfortunately for us too, we're going to see these continue to rise, spiking into the mid 60s, maybe even some upper 60s by Friday, and staying in the 60s through Saturday and Sunday. And that increase in humidity also comes with an increase in heat as this high pressure continues to lose its grip on us here in West Michigan, and we're going to end up getting a big high pressure in the upper atmosphere too, coming in from the southwest, pushing in and hanging out for a couple of days, leading to our third heat wave of the summer. And I'm saying that because we're going to see the potential for those 90-degree temperatures as we pull up all of this warm and humid air from the south. So get ready. It's going to be feeling more like the middle of summer than the end of summer, and hopefully we'll only have a couple of days of 90-degree temperatures, but the feels like temperatures will get that feeling like low 90s come Friday. Saturday, though, is when we max out at feeling like 97 and then feeling like 93 for Sunday. Saturday and Sunday are probably the only days that will actually have 90-degree temperatures, but we're already at our average 90-degree amount of days for the year. So any more than this is going to push us above average. For tonight, we'll end up right around 66, mostly cloudy, but some breaks kind of here and there. Not quite as hazy, but hazy in spots just because air quality still is moderate right now. Looking at the lakeshore, we're going to have high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for tomorrow, but inland it does spike a little bit to more like upper 80s, maybe even a 90 or 2 for places like Zeeland, although I think most of us inland are still probably going to stay in the upper 80s. Definitely warmer though than today by several degrees, and today was the warmest day of the month so far, even though it's only been 6 days in. Very quiet out there, save for a sprinkle or two tomorrow afternoon, kind of like today. Most of us are not going to get any rain, and if you do, you will be one of the lucky ones. But there is a better chance for rain into Friday afternoon. Not a much better chance. This most recent model run erodes a lot of that moisture before it comes in, but early Friday morning and then again maybe into the mid-morning and afternoon there could be a chance for a shower. This model though really keeps us very, very dry, and sometimes that happens with systems coming in after smoke is departing because the smoke does tend to dry out the air. Saturday and Sunday will be the peak of our heat wave, but Monday not a whole lot cooler. Tuesday our best chance for rain.